Welcome student in first session from your textbook chapter number 7, conservation of plants and animals. In this chapter we study about the plants and animals, how we have to conserve that, protect them. Okay, so every living organism on earth is member of a dynamic community. So that dynamic community is ecosystem. What is that? Ecosystem means जितने भी living organisms है, they all are means minute, means smallest to smallest and biggest to biggest, all living organism. Okay, so they are member of a dynamic community and that community is called that ecosystem. So ecosystem is a complete unit that consists of living creatures and non-living matter. Okay, ecosystem is a complete unit means उसमें लिविंग क्रिएचर्स भी रहते हैं और नॉन लिविंग मैटर्स भी इन्वॉल्व है. क्लियर? देयर आर न्यूमरस काइंड ऑफ प्लांट्स एंड एनिमल्स that exist on earth. Means numerous kind means variety of animals and plants are there, okay, on earth, or we can say that on earth diverse of life exist, means variety of life exists on earth. So now that biodiversity, okay, biodiversity is the term used for the number of different forms of plants and animals found on earth. Means bio means life and diversity means variety. So variety of life, okay, is a term used for number of different forms of plants. Okay, is plants में smallest to smallest and greatest to greatest. ठीक है, all kinds of plants belong to in this category. And animals, in animal is smallest to greatest, all. So that animals found on earth. So that is called the biodiversities. Clear this one? So maximum diversity is found in forest. Means ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा varieties of plants and animals कहाँ found होते हैं? In forest. So example, in forest so many kinds of plants and animals are found. So means इसलिए आपको फॉरेस्ट को क्या करके रखना चाहिए? कंजर्व करके रखना चाहिए. बिकॉज देयर आर मीन्स वेराइटी ऑफ मैक्सिमम diversity is found in forest only. Okay, so loss of biodiversity is a serious problem. Okay, and the loss of biodiversity is mainly due to sudden unplanned and disorganized change in the environment due to human behavior and activities. That number of threat to biodiversity are seen. So for example, that human activities like deforestation, okay, means deforestation means cut down the trees. So deforestation means removal or that clearing of trees, clearing of that forest and using that land for the other purposes such as lodging, agriculture or grazing operation, and that establish industries like that. Okay, so that's why that deforestation is done. So some causes of deforestation are there. First, that making furniture और यूजिंग वुड एज फ्यूल. सो इसलिए भी मीन्स ट्रीज को कट किया जाता है. ओके, सेकेंड दैट क्लियरेंस ऑफ दैट एग्रीकल्चर टू ग्रो मोर फूड मीन्स दैट पॉपुलेशन इज इंक्रीजिंग. सो अदर हैंड दैट मीन्स फूड रिक्वायरमेंट है तो फुलफिल नीड्स के लिए क्या करते हैं वो फॉरेस्ट को कन्वर्ट करके किसमें एग्रीकल्चर लैंड में कन्वर्ट करते हैं. ओके, एंड हैबिट अर्बन दैट डेवलपमेंट. Okay, and that fourth construction purposes means बहुत सारे construction ये that forest cut down for the agricultural land, and agriculture is again that converted for that industrial, for that residential houses like that. Okay, fifth, for setting up industries etc. So these are the causes of deforestation. तो इसीलिए deforestation किया है. Next one is consequence of that deforestation. So first, that reduce rainfall. So the increase in temperature on earth disturb the water cycle and may reduce the rainfall. So this could cause a droughts. Okay, imbalance of atmosphere gases, that fewer trees, okay, would mean that less carbon dioxide will be used by resulting in its increased amount in the atmosphere. मीन्स अगर ट्रीज कट हो जाएंगे तो कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड का लेवल इंक्रीज हो जाएगा एटमॉस्फेयर में. ओके, एंड दिस विल लीड टू ग्लोबल वार्मिंग as carbon dioxide that trap the heat rays and reflected by the earth. आपको पता है ग्लोबल वार्मिंग और के लिए सबसे ज्यादा मेनली जो गैस है दैट कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड एंड क्लोरोफ्लोरो कार्बन इज देयर. ओके, सो दैट्स वाई अगर ट्रीज कट हो गए तो कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड यूज नहीं होगा बिकॉज दैट प्लांट्स यूज कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड फॉर द फोटोसिंथेसिस पर्पसेस एंड दैट्स वाई that if trees cut down then carbon dioxide will not used by that plants, so that carbon dioxide level will increase. Clear? Third, loss of natural habitat. Many animals live in the forest because that is a natural habitat. Is there also loss of natural habitat for that animals. In climate, moreover, there will be increased chances of natural calamities such as flood and drought, like that. Okay, decreases in that water level. Deforestation also leads to a decreases in the water holding capacity of the soil. The movement of water from the soil surface into the ground, okay, that infiltration rate, so that into the ground and is reduced. So there are floods. The other properties of the soil like nutrients content, texture, etc. also change because of that deforestation. Now soil erosion, आपको पता है कि जो रूट होती है ट्रीज की तो वो क्या करती है सॉइल को एंकर करके रखती है, मीन्स सॉइल को पकड़ के रखती है. तो जहाँ पे मीन्स ट्रीज नहीं होते तो वहाँ की सॉइल ज्यादा इरोड होती है. मीन्स जैसे स्ट्रॉन्ग विंड रहती है, स्ट्रॉन्ग दैट रेन फ्लो के साथ में मीन्स जो रिवर फ्लो के साथ में वो भी मतलब फ्लो आउट हो जाती है. तो जहाँ पे अगर ट्रीज होते हैं तो वहाँ पे वो सॉइल को क्या करते हैं एंकर करके रखते, मीन्स पकड़ के रखते, तो वहाँ की सॉइल जल्दी इरोड नहीं होती है. सो लाइक दैट, सो सॉइल इरोजन इज ऑल्सो देयर. So removal of that, okay, removal of the top layer of the soil exposes the lower hard and rocky layer. So this soil has less humus. Deforestation is a major cause because leads to the change in the soil properties. Physical properties of the soil get affected by plantation and vegetation. Recall from that class 7 how trees that prevent the soil erosion. Okay, I already told about that. So fewer trees result in more soil erosion. So removal of the top layer of the soil exposes, means the top layer it is good for the growth of the plants. Okay, you know very well that. So removal of the top layer of the soil exposes the lower hard and rocky layer. So this soil has less humus and is less fertile. So gradually the fertile land gets converted into desert and it is called the that desertifications. Okay, so these are the consequence of that deforestation. So as you know that forest playing an important role, so therefore they have to be conserved. Okay, so that's why conservation of forest is there. So as forests play an important role, so therefore to that maintain the ecological equilibrium in environment, there is an immediate need to conserve it. Okay, so that's why we should to conserve the forest. So way of conserving forest, how we have to conserve the forest. Reforestation मीन्स आपको देखना है कि मतलब जो ट्रीज डैमेजेस होते जा रहे हैं उनकी जो स्पेसीज है जो उनकी जो रहती है मीन्स जो भी वो जाती है, तो अगर वो वेराइटी उसकी मीन्स डिस्ट्रॉय होते जा रही है या कट डाउन हो रही है तो आप उसी टाइप का न्यू ट्रीज न्यू प्लांट उसी वेराइटीज का आप उसमें प्लांट करो. ओके, सो दैट इज रिफॉरेस्टेशन. प्रिवेंटिंग फॉरेस्ट फायर, और मीन्स फॉरेस्ट जो फायर अपने आप लग जाती है तो उसको भी प्रिवेंट करना चाहिए. ओके, नेक्स्ट ग्रेजिंग इन फॉरेस्ट इज टू बी कंट्रोल, और जो ग्रेजिंग मीन्स वो सारे जो एनिमल्स है फॉर दैट द ग्रेजिंग पर्पसेस जो फॉरेस्ट में जाते हैं तो उसको भी अवॉइड करना चाहिए. सो लाइक दैट वी हैव टू प्रिजर्व एंड कंजर्व अवर दैट नेचुरल प्रॉपर्टीज, दैट इज व्हाट फॉरेस्ट. क्लियर दिस वन? Thank you.